Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about double integral. That is when you have to integrate something twice with respect to like different values. So let us take an example. Let's say we have a double integral and another double integral of 2x plus y with respect to the x and the y. Now this is what an equation requiring double integral looks like. So when we are going to integrate this, we are first going to deal with the inner one, which is the one that is right here. After integrating this, then we get our value, then we integrate it using the outer ones. So that is what we are going to be doing. So now if we are integrating the inner one, we are going to have it as a integral of, after integrating the inner one with respect to x, we have this as 2x squared divided by 2 plus we have this as x y. Then we close it, the y. Abi yes, the y. So with respect to y. So then we simplify our bracket, 2 divided by 2 here. So we have it as x squared plus x y. We close it with respect to the y. Now with respect to the y, and now we integrate again with respect to the y. So um we have it as in brackets, integral of x square with respect to y is x square y, then plus integral of xy square with respect to y is x y square divided by 2. So this right here is our final answer for this double integral in which we see here. It might become a little bit tougher than this, and it might get to the case whereby we have to use definite integrals, whereby we have values of 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, and so on and so forth like that. So for now, this is what we are going to get if we are going to be doing it indefinite, that is integrating this twice with respect to two values.